abilities. His passive is called Encore, where he gets shot and knocked down. He cloaks himself for 5 seconds to try to hide or to get somewhere safe to get picked up because they can't see him and cloaked for 5 seconds. His tactical is Psych Out, where he throws decoys, confusing the enemies when he is trying to approach them. He just throws him out of his suit that he wears. And the other special ability is Ultimate. Ultimate is called Vanishing Act. It is where he decoys himself multiple times. He formed a team around him to distract, to get away, or to flank around the enemy, to distract them from shooting at him. I will show you guys an example of what I am talking about in the firing range. Alright, here we go. Right, in order for me to show you the passive, I have to knock myself down. The frag. Oh, I can blow my friend out there. There's one. Two. So he throws decoy employees and he's cloaking for 5 seconds. And then in that 5 seconds, you try to hide to get picked up. Or, if you have a self-res like I did, pick yourself up as well. It's called a gold knockdown shit. Allows you to pick yourself up. That's the only way I can show you the passive ability. And the tactical, trying to attack. So if I'm trying to, some enemy right here, trying to attack him, I'm trying to throw my decoy out to distract where he thinks I'm going to be. And then come over here and shoot him. And as I throw my decoy, I can control the decoy. If I want to flank him, I can control it. You think that's me, but it's not. Control it by jumping up, running with it. If you don't have a weapon in your hand, like a gun, you just got your hands out. He runs fast. If you have a gun in your hand, show you, give me like 4 seconds. He sprints. He's running fast too. And I have no gun in my hand. And he jogs. Like jogs on the beach. In his ultimate, can do all ultimate, there's two ways you can do it. There's multiple ways, but two good ways, good and bad. You're trying to approach somebody, see him, your left, wherever side you see him, and you want to go around. You go around. Sees you, that you're a decoy, he doesn't know you're at. On the side of him. Shoot him. Or this way. You only need one ultimate accelerant. Mirage, because his ultimate charges up very fast. So if you're getting shot at, laser down, your ultimate to get away. As you look behind you, all the decoys. I don't know which one you're at. When you run, always run with no gun. Run faster.